The following is a video tutorial to guide you through the unboxing and assembly of your new bili-hut LED phototherapy system. Unboxing your bili-hut. Little Sparrow's product engineer Nolan Smith will guide you through this tutorial. Your bili-hut will arrive in a box that can also be used as a carrying case. Once you open the box, remove the instruction manual and set aside in a safe place for future reference. The LED light source or shell will arrive wrapped in protective foam. Remove the foam and set aside for later repackaging. Remove the shell from the box. Next, remove the positioning nest disposable cover package and positioning nest. Underneath that is the base of the bili-hut with an attached mattress. Finally, remove the power cord and power supply. Attaching the shell. The bili-hut shell attaches to the base with fidlock fasteners. Fidlock is a button and receptacle locking system that is magnetically guided to ensure correct assembly. The lock is released by gently pulling the tab toward you. To attach the shell to the base, first locate the red stripes on the gray flap of the shell and on the side of the base mattress. Next, insert the fidlock buttons into their corresponding receptacles. Make sure the power cord is placed outside the bili-hut. Gently flex the shell and repeat on the reverse side. Attaching the power cord. To assemble the power cord, make sure you have both parts, a power supply module with a barrel connector and a cord with a wall plug. Insert the cord into the two-pronged receptacle in the power supply, making sure that it is firmly in place. Insert the barrel connector on the power supply module into the switch cord on the bili-hut, also making sure that it is firmly in place. Placing the cover on the nest. To cover the nest frame, first remove the nest liner and mattress from the packaging. Unfold the liner and place over the nest frame. Make sure that the liner lays flat against the walls of the nest and that the tall ends are fully upright. Finally, place the mattress in the nest with the side that has the gray color block facing upwards. Placing baby in bili-hut. To place the baby in the bili-hut, first make sure the front flap is in the upright position. Place the nest on the base with approximately 1/3 under the shell and the color block section of the mattress remaining outside. Then place the baby with eye protection on into the nest and slide the nest into the bili-hut. Place the front flap in the down position. The back bumper on the base mattress helps to position the nest correctly in the bili-hut. Slide the nest forward until it touches the bumper. When the baby's head is correctly placed on the color block section of the mattress, This will ensure the body is fully under the lights. Operating the bili-hut. Plug the power cord into the wall outlet. Do not use an extension cord when operating the bili-hut. Press the blue button to turn on the bili-hut. The blue indicator light will turn on if the switch is active. If the bili-hut does not turn on and the blue indicator light is also not on, make sure all connections on the power cord are firmly in place and the wall socket is operating correctly. The bili-hut timer tracks lifetime use of the device. It cannot be reset to 0 and does not track individual treatments. To determine an individual treatment time, record values at the start and end of treatment. Subtract the starting timer value from the ending timer value to determine the total treatment time. The bili-hut must be used in the proper operating environment. It should be set up on a firm, level surface measuring at least 2 feet by 4 feet. The bili-hut can also be set up in a crib, making sure that there are no toys or loose bedding inside. The recommended room temperature when operating the bili-hut is between 71 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Be sure to check the baby's temperature every 2 to 4 hours and adjust the room temperature as needed. Some additional reminders for safe and proper use of bili-hut. Make sure to place the baby's head on the color block section of the mattress, with the shoulders positioned just below the edge of the gray section. Make sure the nest is fully inserted. Always make sure eye protection is placed on the baby before using bili-hut. Never carry bili-hut with a baby inside. That completes our video tutorial for bili-hut. For further information on using bili-hut, refer to your user manual or visit us at www.littlesparrowstech.com.